Miss Green from Sing Education, and in this video we're going to be looking at the song Black Socks. We're going to listen to it, learn it, and then I've got a challenge for you to try at home. So to start off with, have a listen as I sing the song through. Black socks, they never get older. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something inside me says no, no, not yet. Did you notice what I was patting? It is the pulse, which is our constant heartbeat of the music. So now I would love it if you could find an object like a book or a box that you could pat the pulse on. I'm going to be using the lid of the glockenspiel. If you need to pause the video, do so now. Great, so let's have a listen to the song again, patting the pulse while we do so. Ready? Black socks, they never get older. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something inside me says no, no, not yet. Great job, we're going to put that to one side as we learn the song. I'll sing it, could you sing it back to me? Black socks, they never get older. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something inside me says no, no, not yet. Great job. If you need to go over any of that, just rewind the video. We're now going to pat the pulse on whatever item you found and sing the song the whole way through. Ready? Black socks, they never get older. The longer you wear them, the stronger they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something inside me says no, no, not yet. Great job! So now for a challenge for you to try. Go and teach this song to a grown-up or someone else in the house, and then this song can become a round. It starts a line after each other. So the first person goes, black socks, they never get older. And that is where the second person comes in with black socks, they never get older. See if you can do it as a round, and if you want to take this challenge even further, the person that finishes the song first can keep singing not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, until the other person sings not yet, and then you can stop together. See how you get on? Let us know. I'm Miss Green from Sing Education. See you in the next video.